have just come to the hotel. It's 5 p.m. right now. Since it's Friday night today, so we are going out. We are going to central London. Christmas is coming up, so it's going to be really lit. It's going to be crowded. They have started decorating the streets and everything with Christmas lights and stuff, so I want to see that. So we all have decided that we'd go out. So in 2 hours, we have planned that we would meet downstairs. I think I'll take a shower or a bath or my freshen up hoki, and I'm gonna take you along with me. That's my bag. We have a TV. This one is a small TV, but usually we get rooms where we get pretty huge, 60-inch TV. I get really scared of that because I have megalophobia. That's the bed. This is, oh my god, I've been to a lot of hotels, but this bed is the most comfortable of all bed. It has the right amount of cushioning, like spring. In between, they changed our hotel and I used to miss the bed so much. This is my window, but we have a good view, and that's again me. So a lot of mirror selfie. The first thing that I do when I enter my room is to increase the temperature. I don't want heat. But I want like 24 degrees of coolness. Yeah. Hello, so I have just showered. I'm quickly going to put some makeup and change, then show you guys. I'm already very late. Jaldi karte hain. I'm ready. It's 7 p.m. right now. In 20-25 minutes we will leave. This is my outfit. मैं पूरा outfit आपको नीचे जाके दिखाऊंगी. There is a full length mirror in the hotel lobby. The temperature is 5 degrees, so I'm wearing like 3 layers. इसके नीचे एक वार्मर पहना है, फिर ये स्वेटर पहना है, फिर ये जैकेट पहना है, फिर उसके बाद मैं ये मफलर भी लूँगी, एंड मैंने नीचे भी जो भी पहना है उसके नीचे भी लेयर पहने. Let's go and let's enjoy ourselves.
You're gonna hurt yourself. Stand up, you're alive. You're alive, you're alive. That was way.
I just went to the casino for the first time in my life and I won 20 pounds. Oh sorry, this is 50 but I won 20 pounds. I'm really happy about it. Hi, I hope you enjoyed this Friday night out vlog. So right now it's 3:40 p.m. and it's time to go back to India. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.